Bangkok is a city that truly comes alive after dark, but to see it at its best, you have to get above the noise and the heat. There is something magical about watching the sun dip below the horizon while holding a cold cocktail 60 floors above the pavement. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned traveler, the rooftop scene here is legendary. Today, we're counting down the 10 best rooftop bars in Bangkok that you absolutely cannot miss in 2026. Number 10, 360 Rooftop Bar. We are kicking things off at the Millennium Hilton. Located on the 32nd floor, 360 might not be the highest bar on our list, but it offers one of the most sophisticated perspectives of the Chao Phraya River. It's split into two parts, an outdoor terrace and a stunning 360-degree glass cupola. This is the place to go if you want a jazz lounge vibe and a panoramic view of the River of Kings without the massive crowds found in the city center. Number 9, Above 11. Nestled on the 33rd floor of the Fraser Suites in Sukhumvit Soi 11, Above 11 is a total vibe. It's designed like an urban park with abstract trees and grass-covered walls. What makes this spot unique is the menu. It's one of the few places where you can get incredible Peruvian-Japanese fusion, known as Nikkei cuisine. It's energetic, the music is always on point, and it's the perfect jumping-off point for a night out in Sukhumvit. Number 8, Bar.Yard. If you're looking for something a bit more colorful and laid back, Bar.Yard at the Kimpton Malite is your spot. Located on the 40th floor, it feels like a tropical backyard party in the sky. It's tiki-themed, serves delicious Mexican-inspired barbecue, and offers a fantastic view of Lumpini Park, which is essentially the Central Park of Bangkok. It's consistently voted one of the best for its fun atmosphere and creative cocktails. Number 7, Octave Rooftop Lounge and Bar. Spanning the 45th to the 49th floors of the Marriott Sukhumvit, Octave is famous for its completely unobstructed 360-degree views. There are no high railings or walls here, just glass. The top floor is a massive circular bar that glows neon blue at night. It's one of the best spots for sunset photography, and they often have great happy hour deals that make these world-class views surprisingly accessible. Number 6, Tichuca Rooftop Bar. You've probably seen this one on your Instagram feed. Located at the T1 building, Tichuca is the it spot right now. The centerpiece is a massive, glowing LED tree of life that sways in the wind. It feels like a futuristic jungle. It's almost always packed, and they don't take reservations, so you'll want to arrive early. But once you're up there with a drink in hand under those pulsing lights, you'll see why it's the most viral bar in Thailand. Before we get to our top 5, if you're planning your Bangkok adventure right now, I've made it super easy for you. I have links in the description below for everything you need, from flights and luxury hotels to local activities and car rentals. Also, the top 3 bars, hotels, and locations in this video are linked down there too. And for those of you who want to stay organized on the go, I've put together a list of my favorite travel gadgets that will make your journey through Asia so much smoother. The link is in the description. Number 5, Aira Sky Hanuman. One of the newest heavy hitters on the scene is Aira Sky Hanuman. Sitting on the 61st floor of One City Center, it's currently the second highest rooftop bar in the city. It blends high-end mixology with traditional Thai culture. They even have incredible cultural performances like con dancing right there on the deck. The views of the Ploenchit skyline are unmatched, and the design is sleek, modern, and very upscale. Number 4. CRU Champagne Bar. For the true luxury seekers, CRU is the place to be. Perched on the 59th floor of the Centera Grand at Central World, this is one of the highest champagne bars in the world. It's an intimate circular space that offers a literal 360-degree view of the heart of Bangkok's shopping district. They serve exclusive GH Mum champagne and have some of the most creative cocktails with bubbles you'll ever taste. It's pricey, but for a special occasion, it's unbeatable. Number 3. Vertigo and Moon Bar. This is an absolute classic. Located on the 61st floor of the Banyan Tree Hotel, the entire roof is shaped like a narrow ship floating in the sky. There is no roof above you and no walls around you, just the open air. Walking across the narrow bridge to Moon Bar feels like you're walking on clouds. It has a strict dress code, so make sure to dress to impress. But the feeling of being that high up with the wind in your hair is something you'll never forget. Number 2. Sky Bar at Lebua. This is arguably the most famous rooftop bar in the entire world, thanks to its starring role in The Hangover Part 2. Located at the State Tower, the iconic golden dome and the glowing circular bar jutting out over the city are legendary. It's 63 floors up, and the view of the river and the city lights is breathtaking. It is very busy and can be expensive, but it's a bucket list item for a reason. Standing on that ledge is a true "I've made it to Bangkok" moment. And finally, number 1, Sky Beach Bangkok. Taking the number 1 spot for 2025 is Sky Beach at the standard Mahanakhon. This is the highest rooftop bar in Bangkok, located on the 78th floor of the famous Pixel building. The yellow and white retro glam decor is stunning, and the 360-degree views are simply unparalleled because there is literally nothing higher than you. You can even walk across the glass skywalk if you're brave enough. It combines the best of modern design, elite status, and the most dramatic view in Southeast Asia. Bangkok's rooftop bars are more than just a place to get a drink. They are the heart of the city's glamour. Don't forget, the top 3 booking links for these spots and the hotels are in the description below, along with my recommended travel gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your favorite travel buddy. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video, so you never miss a guide to the world's best destinations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.